In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock. Click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and enter your current login method. Then tap on Face Unlock here and tap on More at the bottom right corner until you see I agree and click on it as well. Now get ready, hit start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Following that, you need to click on Done. Manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!